Assalamu alaikum, fit you all listener. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Also, I am doing outstanding by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Frant Ali. Today, I would like to describe very significant topic in our life. So, let's get started. Today's selected topic discuss. Today's selected topic is why we cannot success in our life. Actually, in the world, every people would like to success in our life, but we don't want to sacrifice our several happy time. That's why we want success in our life. Actually, abandon is very important and significant in our life. Without abandon, you cannot anything. For example, at this moment I am able to speak in English. How? Because 3 months I was sacrificed my life, several moments, several happy playing. That's why today at this moment I am able to speak in English without hesitation. But when first time I was start my English learning journey, that time it wasn't easy because that time I have faced many problems, such as all time I thought when I will be able to speak in English, and I faced many problems, but I didn't give up. All time pray Allah and try to running behind my dream, my English learning dream. After that I am able to speak in English. That time I had to sacrifice my family person, my village person, my relative, religion, and my most of the happy and joyful time. After that I am able to speak in English. But in the generation, all people would like to success in our life, but we don't want to sacrifice some good moment. That's why we want success in our life. Like all time our problem, we say Allah doesn't pray, doesn't accept our prayer. But if you don't work hard, Allah doesn't pray your prayer. At first you have to work hard. After that Allah will be accept your all goals and dream. So what should we do? Actually, any kinds of work, if you want to success and fulfill complete, you have to at first select goal, and you have to pray with Allah, and you must work hard. When you work hard, that time your mind automatically support your body, and when your mind automatically support your body is bound to work this task. That's why sacrifice and abandon is very important and significant in our life. To sum up, I would like to say sacrifice one kinds of successful part in our life. That's all about pray for me.